APIs are everywhere. In fact, they are what makes apps talk to each other. But if you're not a developer, APIs can look super complicated. Documentation, test scripts, validation, it's a lot to handle. That's why I want to show you EchoAPI. This is a tool that uses AI to make APIs beginner-friendly, even if you've never written a line of code. Stick with me as I walk you through this step by step. So here we are on EchoAPI, and as you can see here, this can basically solve all of your API problems. And if you are a bit newer to coding or APIs, or you're just trying to get your app set up, this is a great option because you don't actually need to know any of the technical details. You simply just launch the app and get it done. With just one click, EchoAPI extracts and generates your API documentation. No more manual copy and paste and no more missing pieces. You get a clean, ready-to-use setup right away. Tired of parameters named ABC123 or value1, EchoAPI automatically generates clean, professional parameter names based on your inputs. Your team stays aligned, your docs look sharp, and collaboration just works. Docs missing details, complex inputs with no examples, EchoAPI fills in the gaps instantly. From endpoints to request examples, you get a full, accurate, and ready-to-share documentation. Forget writing test scripts line by line, just describe what you need in plain words, and EchoAPI will generate a working script for you. It's fast, accurate, and maintenance-friendly. Testing isn't complete without assertions. EchoAPI generates them for you automatically, from status codes to business login checks. And if you want to tweak them, just tell EchoAPI in plain language and it updates instantly. Smarter testing with zero hassle. Need to test from a single endpoint? EchoAPI creates multi-scenario test data for you. From normal inputs to edge cases and error conditions, everything is covered. You'll catch issues earlier and ship with more confidence. Designing test workflows has never been easier. With EchoAPI's visual interface, just drag, drop, and run. Build complex automated tests without touching a single line of code. Working with multiple APIs, well, that's where it usually gets messy, but EchoAPI generates end-to-end test data across multiple endpoints so that you can simulate real workflows and validate your entire business logic effortlessly. Now, what if we were to compare this with other clients such as Postman or ThunderClient? Postman is powerful, but it's manual and it takes a lot of setup. ThunderClient is simple, but very limited on the features that you can do. EchoAPI is different because you've got one-click documentation, AI prescripts, AI assertions, workflow testing, and auto-generated test data to make everything more efficient. It's smarter, it's faster, and it's way more beginner-friendly. It's also completely free, as you can see here, so definitely a reason to at least check it out in the description. So if you want to understand and test APIs without needing to learn code, give EchoAPI a try. It saves time, removes complexity, and makes APIs easy for everyone. I'll leave a link in the description. Check it out and see how much simpler API testing can be for you. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.